In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows tool error code 0xC1800103. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now just go to your search menu, type in services. So now just go ahead, click on open, then just give it a couple of moments for it to open up for you. So after you have done that, now just go ahead, choose the background intelligent transfer service, double click on it, and then go ahead to start up type, then choose disabled and click stop. As you can see, then click OK. After you have done that, now just go ahead, click on W and then search for Windows Update. Go scroll down until you find the Windows Update, double click on it, and then do the same thing for it as well. Go ahead, choose disabled, click on stop, and then click on OK. Now that you have done that, you should be all good to go. If not, just go ahead, follow the next step. So go ahead to your search menu, type in File Explorer, and then go ahead, click on File Explorer options, and from here, just go ahead, click on the View tab, and then make sure this is checked, Show Hidden File Folders, then click on OK. So now that you have done that, you should be all good to go. The third step you can do, so go ahead, open the File Explorer, and then go ahead, click on this PC, then go to your local disk, and if you have any unnecessary files that start with $, as you can see as the top one, just delete them and you should be all good to go. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.